Good afternoon. Oh, I'm looking for a birthday card. Oh, I didn't notice. Thank you. Excuse me, do you have any cards with flowers on them? I see, okay. Do you have gift bags too? Thank you. Could you please tell me the price of this one? Oh, sorry. I didn't see the tag. Trying to stay calm. Yes, thank you. I'll take this one. By the way, do you have a loyalty card program? All right, here's my money. Thank you. Have a nice day. Excuse me, sir. I just wanted to say, even when you're busy, being polite can make someone's day better. That's okay. We all do sometimes. Take care.